Hello, it's Martin, and it's time to unbox something I've been waiting for a while. So, if you've been following my videos, you noticed I got something XL. Link will be in description or we card here where you'll find that video. And this is a Steam Deck Mark II. Now, the Elgato didn't send this nice lovely care package. I bought it by a company called Scan. So why did I buy this one? I must be very late in the party, really. Bubble wrap, because the wife likes to use bubble wrap. So, I hope it exists. That'd be funny if it isn't. Man, this is not a sponsorship, but I can say this now. Scan do know how to look after your partial packaging, because I have seen some stuff in my time of how partials are dealt with at the time. So let's get rid of this. Yeah. So this is the Mark II. Now, why is it a Mark II, not the Mark I? Well, let's find out. So this is 15 buttons. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15 buttons in total, so that's 15 macro keys. And as far as I understand, with all the YouTubing I do, this will work well. Now, let's look. I love marketing material on the box. So yeah, nothing really stands out to say this is amazing, marketing wise. So what it works with, we'll have a wee picture on it. It works with Elgato. I think that's Discord, YouTube, Twitter, OBS, no idea what this guy is, no idea what that is. I think that's Hue or Hive, Hue, and IQ. Oh, this one was IQ. Cool. IQ's by Corsa. Well, Elgato. No, Corsa bought Elgato and they've gone mad. So, straight out the box. Straight out the box. Wow. It looks amazing. Feels nice. So it has this. I'm going to get myself a wee degree thing and work out the actual degree on this. I think that should be part of my unboxing for now on. Rulers, geometry. I think I'm going to get a bunch of stuff like that because I think there's some. I like to know angles and length and all that. So, sorry, I'm digressing. So what else do you get in the box? A wee box. So it's got your USB-C to USB-A1, that's white. Comments, please comment if I'm wrong. And a bunch of warranty, instructions, that's good. Good. We don't need any of that because we're going blind and we'll work it out together. I'll work it out and you'll help me do that. So, I think the faceplate can come off. Yes, okay. So this is good. So, if you have a 3D printer, which I don't have, will I invest in one? I would like to. I would like to invest in one, but I've got other things I want to spend my money first on before 3D printing. So I think they're cool to have. Plus, I don't know where to keep it. So, certain paws would like to get their hands on it as well. I like to fit on it, and this will be one of the things that I like to get on. So anyway, this is apparently a removable faceplate. So I don't break it. Okay, let's not do that. So let's get this thing connected. So it's connected. So why did I buy this? So in my streaming, I haven't done streaming for ages, and I do apologize. Keep an eye on my Twitch. What is that? Sorry, background noise. Keep an eye on my Twitch at Martin TechFix. Link in the description where you can find that. Nice one, Silver. I like this. It's completely attachable, so that's good. So let's get this all in again. I don't need this in my box. So yeah, so I do this in my shortcut, but I find I need to remember things, and when you're like busy gaming, that's the last thing. So this will be my command. What's it called? Command center. This would be my command center or my scene. If I want to mute the audio, if my wife calls me when I'm gaming, I can do everything so you don't hear me do that. Or if I disappear and need a quick little boy's room, or need a refreshing drink. Oh, that's cool. So yeah, stuff like that. And might do other things, but that's okay. Control my lighting system. Stay tuned, I will make a review of the light that I got right now. It's a smart light and it's been acting quite well, so hopefully that will. So yeah, so this is quite good. This is the last of my, I really need to get the two, I got these, as you know, I got these spotlights, I think I'm going to call them, because why is that spotlight? Anyway, digressing. Going off topic, I like to get those, and then you can actually see my face a lot better, but for now, that's going to be maybe next year's project or end of the year. So, but keep an eye on my Twitter. I don't like to give too much away now, but things will be coming soon. So, apparently each of these buttons, so if you click on it, it's a folder. So this is ongoing. So this is 15 buttons, but that's 15 folders. Maybe in a folder, into a folder. You can see where I'm going. That's a lot of buttons. So I could have got the big XL, but I find the price, because this was about 150 quid, something like that. I find that this was a good price to what I want to spend to the buttons I have. So I don't see what doing that. Editing wise, I don't think I'll be doing any edits on this. Maybe. We'll see. That it's endless. I'm going to be playing with this for a year, and then might give you a year review and how this one device will let me figure out my. Wow, I'm losing in my head of words now. And how my production works with my YouTube. So maybe. So yeah. So what we'll do is. We'll go into the computer now, and we'll set this up for the first time. You might hear some background music, you might hear some background stuff. That's fine, because my child is watching some TV, which I don't mind sharing. I'll try to edit as much as possible. Anyway. Sharing, so that's fine. So we'll move into the computer, so let's get on the computer. Right, it's all set up. So you'll find the link in where you find the software and descriptions. So we'll just go through this quickly. Hopefully it all works. So, let's move this over. Okay, so you can see it on the screen below. So there's loads of things you can do. And then let's go to OBS. You just put it on.
scenes. I have no idea. Yeah, there's loads of stuff there. There's loads of stuff you can put on. I'm just trying to find something. Twitter, YouTube, mute. That's what I want. Oh, why is it on my keyboard? Oh, that'd be why. So, Steam Deck, there we go. So, mute on and off. Now it's not responding, but you get the general idea. So it's working here, but you click on it, it is all working. So that's good. So you can mess around with this. This thing is just going haywire. So I think, oh, it's not responding. Steam Deck. Let's try this one more time. Themes, and then you can just go title. Wow. Welcome. And then you can just go and do that. But something I do want to see if I can find certain settings. You can go into an output. Oh, let's see if you can see this. Profile, account, general. So set the screensaver. This is what I want. So let's go to logo. So it's all set. After never, yeah, so check for updates. So it's all up to date. So yeah, that's a general overview of where it is. And back to the main video.
Okay, that's me back. And yes, I think this will work well with my production and how I do stuff with the computer. I do like macro keys. I do like that how it all works, and I like program buttons, so this is perfect. So what I might do, I keep saying videos that I might do it and I never do it, and I wish I don't do it, but I might give a year review and we might come back to it and see if this has done its job. I really hope so. So let's get going, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.